Hi, so today we are going to be looking at rigging a pacer. The next thing is a pre-sale safety briefing and course layout, just so we know where we're going, the wind direction and what course we will be sailing around. The next is a bit of footage from my first time skippering a pacer without an instructor. On the Sunday, we spent a bit of time on an 18-foot catamaran, which was awesome fun. And as well as that, my fiance and I went out for a little sail just by ourselves. She's never been out in a dinghy, so it was a great experience for her and a great experience for me to actually skipper without anybody else with experience on the boat. So yeah, check it out.
Wind direction coming in here. Wind at the moment I think is coming in from southwest somewhere over there. Don't know exactly, that's fine. So once again we'll be tacking out to the windward mark. We bear away down to the jibe mark, do our jibe and then head to our leeward mark. Just continue sailing around on the triangle, no problem. Steve will be sitting up here somewhere in his little boat, and when he sees someone coming close by, he will gesticulate. That's gesticulation. He will get one of you over to the boat. So you have to sail alongside. I'll do it over here so as you can see what I'm talking about. Right. You have to sail in and you have to come in alongside. So your boat will be sailing in like that, coming in. As the boat comes in, don't come in too fast. Ease that main, start slowing it down. And then at the last second, just pop up head to wind, running along the Steve. If you're coming in on the opposite tack, you'll come up on the other side of Steve. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So instructors, if you feel that anyone is good enough to solo today, please bail out. I think
that's about it for today. As you saw from the footage, it was a really fun weekend and a beautiful weekend for sailing. We had a really good steady amount of breeze on both days. It kind of gave me some really good practice in terms of there was enough to actually, when you're on attack, really use the telltales on the jib to understand where the boat should be positioned to really get into that close hauled position. So that was really good. It was so much fun being able to show somebody else sailing, taking my fiance out. She had a really good time, and I really hope that she wants to continue on, so we can buy a boat. But you know, it's just really, I'm loving the community. I hope some of these videos are of use to people or just interesting to people. And if not, it's just really fun for me to actually put this kind of stuff together and learn something new in video editing, and also kind of be focused on what I'm learning, and being able to share that really reinforces that. If you're in the Melbourne area or even just on the east coast of Australia and need crew to relocate a boat or anything like that, I'm really keen and quite willing to travel to come and have a go. Yeah, so this week again we've got the Wednesday twilight sailing. I'm really hoping that the weather's a bit better, and also that we get a few more people on board, so that maybe I can get a bit more footage of when people are actually doing things, and yeah, just get a few more action shots on the Wednesday night 50 footers. Next week at the training course as well, we will be doing capsize training. So I'm hoping to be able to give the safety boat the camera, or work out a way that we can get the camera so we can get some really cool shots of the capsize training. We're just gonna have to see whether that's possible or not. So yeah, that's where I'm at the moment. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next week.